Hi guys, today we are sharing a tutorial about how to set up IPFoxy Proxy in Clonbrowser anti-detect browser.
First, go to the official IPFoxy website and click on the register button in the upper right corner. New users can get free proxies for signing up, and old users just log in directly. In IPFoxy, you can see that there are currently 4 types of proxies for sale. New users can receive free proxies here. After purchasing the proxy, we can begin the configuration steps. Go to the proxy management page from the left sidebar. Click Proxy Information. The proxy connection information box is displayed. Click One-click Copy. You can also copy it via the small button next to the proxy information. If you are buying rotating residential proxy, you will also need to make a line before copying. Select the route parameters you need, including country, region, rotation cycle, protocol, then click Generate and copy below. Now we go to Clonbrowser to set up proxy. Click New Profile. After setting the other profile parameters, slide to the proxy settings. Click New Proxy button. Paste the proxy information you just copied at the top, then click Parse. Proxy information is automatically parsed and filled in. You can click on Connect Test to test the proxy connectivity, and then save it. Now click Proxy Select and select the proxy we just saved. That means configuration successful. You can connect to the test again, and click Create Browser if successful.
Great! Now you open the profile and you can use the proxy. Open the window and you can check that the proxy information is consistent.